Bodor Laser concluded a successful presence at SteelFab 2026 in Expo Center Sharjah, UAE. During the exhibition, Bodor showcased a complete range of laser solutions, including fully protective sheet laser cutting machines, classic tube laser cutting machines, and handheld laser welding machines. Live demonstrations and on-site technical discussions attracted strong attention from visitors across the Middle East. Through SteelFab 2026, Bodor further strengthened its regional presence, demonstrating its long-term commitment to localized sales, service, and support for the vigorous development of local industries such as steel structures, shipbuilding, furniture, and metal processing, and continuing to deliver reliable and comprehensive support.
Bodor, dare to dream.